Welcome to Ludolions presentation, a Portugal South Europe-based system. Ludolions is a new version of crowdfunding projects and develop new technology without any more charges. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of Ethereum from a large number of people, typically via the internet. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and alternate finance. Ludolions is here to provide you an opportunity to earn Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency platform by market capitalization, behind Bitcoin. It is a decentralized, open-source blockchain featuring smart contract functionality. Ether, ETH, is the cryptocurrency generated by Ethereum miners as a reward for computations performed to secure and add blocks to the blockchain. Ethereum serves as the platform for over 1,900 different cryptocurrencies and tokens, including 47 of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Ludolions launching globally. World's #1 fastest and auto-upgrade Ludolions. With straight pipeline. Can you fulfill your dream with just 0.1 ETH? Yes, it is possible with Ludolions. Can you start your own business with just 0.1 ETH? Yes, it is possible with Ludolions. Joining start with 0.1 Ethereum only. Direct sponsor income 20%, it equals to 0.02 Ethereum. After your joining, any two joining from globally gives you 100% Ludo bonus. You receive 0.08 ETH from joining 1 and 0.08 ETH from joining 2. You can withdraw 0.08 ETH instantly and same time your re-entry with 0.08 ETH. Again, you qualify for receiving 2 times 0.08 ETH from next coming joining. Like this, your re-entry going on and on. You can earn unlimited Ethereum by auto re-entry. Only one condition, you have to sponsor minimum 1 person and maximum are unlimited. Global pipeline, global benefits with Ludolions. For more information, contact our website.